Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share the details of my new blender which I bought recently. The purpose of me posting this video is because I've used this blender in some of my recipe videos and a few of the viewers had some queries regarding this blender. So I thought why not post a video about this which will make things clear. And also please note that this is not a sponsored video. I have gone through the reviews by myself and bought this product. And this is the main unit. It's so small and compact and it don't occupy much of your kitchen worktop space. So I like this. And this type of blender is available even in India. I will leave the link in the description box below if you are interested, just in case. So going into the details of this blender, so it comes with the 2 speed setting and 1 pulse mode, and you can also see a light when the blender is in operation. And this is the smallest of all the jars. It comes with different attachments and this is one of them. It has got a grinding blade. This is the one which we will be using for grinding chutneys. So this is the smallest jar, and if you want to grind in large quantities, little excess, you can use this one. It's quite big than the other one. It's almost double in size, and you can attach the blade that you want to use, and you can just fix it and grind it. So altogether there are 2 blades that comes up with this. One is for grinding, the other one is for blending or juicing. So for grinding chutneys and other stuffs you can use this, and to make smoothies or juices you can use the 4 blades. And you will also get a juicing jug, that is a big blender. So you can attach whatever blade you want to use along with it. So it's so easy, like the attachments are very handy and it can be used based on your requirement, which is one thing that I like about this blender. So for juicing you can use this blade and use it directly, and it has got a filter in it which is very helpful whenever you want to have some clear juices, like any clear juices. You can just put the fruits inside it and the pulp will stay inside and the juice will come out. I use this mostly for extracting coconut milk, which is very helpful, and you'll also get a pusher along with it just to make the grinding process easier and smoother. It has got 2 beakers of good size, and the attachment the grinding blades and the blending blades will get fixed easily into this, and it is very functional. You can just pop in the ingredients that is required for smoothies or juices and just blend right away and close it with the lids. Like you have got 2 lids like this. So it's so handy, and you can just make your juices fresh and store it in the fridge whenever you need it. And other than that, you have got 2 lids. You can use this lid to close the blending jars. Like if you want to grind something and store it, you can do it right away like this and keep it in the fridge. So these are all the attachments, and my overall review about this product is it's good as far as I have been using it. Except for the fact, like if I grind any chutneys with coconut, we need to make sure that you grate the coconut before adding it, because if you add chunks of coconut, it is really finding it difficult to grind it. So other than that, it's a very good product and it's very compact and very functional too. I hope you like this video, and if you wish to watch more such interesting videos, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.